this is number one, to thank you for being so patient while I'm dealing with everything that I have to deal with, and working on the website to set everything properly. Believe me, I'm working as much and as long as I can. I fully intended to get this afternoon on a live on Facebook, and also to work on a tutorial in the hopes that I'll be able to post it tomorrow morning, but more things happened, so I got caught in other things. So unfortunately that means that I will not be able to work on the tutorial until Saturday, because tomorrow late morning I have a doctor appointment and I get again shots in the cervical spine, so usually the day is kind of gone, the rest of the day when that happens. But if not Saturday, then Sunday, I promise you, you will have a tutorial. And also, I want to warn you of a surprise. The only thing I will show you is that it involves a pretty gemstone. Well, I think it's pretty myself. So yeah, it involves a pretty gemstone and a legend and dragon. So I hope to see you soon. Definitely Saturday I will do Facebook Live. So if you're not yet on my Facebook, then just, try to get there. And I'm really looking to open another type of channel that would kind of cover more than one social network whenever I broadcast live. So we'll see how that goes. So thank you again. I love you all. Thank you so much for all your support. And don't worry, I'm still hanging in here and I'm still standing up. Thank you. Goodbye and happy playing.